Hello everybody, and in today's video we will be discussing how the moon was created and how the moon actually works and helps Earth itself. Let's get started. Billions of years ago, our galaxy had an accident in the solar system that created the moon. We'll talk about that later. First, let's talk about how the moon helps us. First, the moon helps us by getting our tides steady and making it so all of us just don't flood, like all of the Earth just doesn't flood, because if that happened, the Earth would just be a water land. And also, the moon can also have gravity on the Earth, which makes the tides go. The moon also helps with its axis, the Earth's axis, and without that we wouldn't be able to have the correct axis and things would go wrong. But if the moon ever did left us or Earth flung it out, it would be super dangerous on Earth because the tides would be dangerously, and we would have floods all over the world, covering all of the land. So yeah, that's why we need the moon. Anyways, now let's talk about how the moon was formed. So first, we have to load the objects in. There we go, we have the objects in now. Now we have to show the simulation. Billions of years ago, Earth was hit by a big planet about the size of Mars named Theia. It crashed into Earth, and it took so much damage that it took a bunch of years for the moon to be formed. Anyways, that's how the moon was formed. But if we didn't have Theia crash into us, we would have never had life and we would never have existed. Yeah, also, I forgot to say this, but the moon wasn't actually how far it was to this day. Now, before, it was actually super close to Earth, but it got moved all the way back, which have ruined its rotation, and every year it goes farther away from us.